then it make profit. So in this case, example is 200, 250, and so on. So you can just give one simple explanation to show that you understand. Okay. So let's look at the question 1 for the lesson 2. So this lesson 2, you have investment, cash flow for the first year, annual growth rate, interest rate. And you given the duration project is 10 years. So you have part A, B, C, right? Okay, so what I want you to do is your part C question is here. Can you copy and paste to the other side? Okay, copy, paste to the other side. Copy, paste to the other side. So part A and B, we will calculate in the same table. Okay, we'll calculate in the same table. Let me just hide everything. Okay, so basically, okay, just leave it everything blank here. Okay, so you just type in yearly cash flow, type year, and then 1 to 10 because 10 years, and cash flow. Okay, I give you a minute. All right. So now we're going to calculate the cash flow. So take note that the year 1 cash flow is given, right? So the year 1 cash flow is 50. But you don't key in 50 here, right? Take note, because just now I got the students didn't follow my instruction. You key in 50. When you key in 50, when you run the analysis, the following, you don't get the answer because it's constant. So here you have to type equal 50. Okay, equal, and then click at the cell. Okay, equal, click at the cell. Enter. Right. So to calculate the second year cash flow, remember the formula just now I show you. You take the previous year times the 1 plus the growth rate, right? We need this growth rate. Okay, so equal the previous year times 1 plus the growth rate. Click the growth rate. Don't tap the value, click at the cell because you're using formula. And close. Okay, so we're going to drag this formula, right? But when you drag the formula, you see when you calculate year 2, it's based on year 1. Year 3 is based on year 2, right? It's automatically, all right, take the previous year. But for the annual growth rate is fixed value. Okay, it's fixed value. So you need to fix it. That means you have to fix this value by insert the dollar sign. So a shortcut way to insert the dollar sign is use the F4 function. Okay, look at your laptop or computer, the on top row, you can see F4, right? So use the function F4. I think you have to hold the function key beside the control. You hold the function key and then press F4. So when you press the F4, you can see the dollar sign. Okay, do you get it? Otherwise, you have to manually insert dollar sign in front B, in front 4. Also can. All right. Enter. So now you get a formula. You can try again. It's your previous cash flow times 1 plus the annual growth rate, right? And then you just drag. Okay, you can check the second formula. You can see you will take the year 2 cash flow 1 plus the annual growth rate, right? You can see the year 4. And so imagine if you didn't log, then you will take the following value, okay? Then it will continue like this. Okay, so all of you get it? Okay, so I show the formula here. Here I just show this one we call it direct using MPV method. Okay, so this is formula for the year 2, for the year 2 formula. Okay, this formula is for year 2. Then you just tap and drag it. Okay, now we're going to calculate the MPV value, right? The MPV value, so equal negative, okay, development cost, that means your initial cost, right? So minus the original investment, the initial amount. Then plus NPV. Okay, this is direct using the MPV formula. If you direct using MPV formula, you can see rate and values, right? Rate is an interest rate. So rate is an interest rate. Okay, then comma. And then values. So this is values for the cash flow. All right, so you highlight. Okay, highlight the value for the cash flow. Okay. There you see. Original investment plus NPV, and then the interest rate. Click the cell, and then your cash flow. Then enter. So if there's many decimal, right, your answer got a lot of decimal like this, right? So you can just go to number format. Just adjust. Okay, just adjust it. So this is the formula for MPV. Okay. Direct using MPV. So based on this value, you can see it's a positive value, right? So you can say the MPV value is positive, means it's make profit, is worth for investment, example. Okay. So this is using cash flow method. Any questions? Any questions?
Yeah, I think wait first. Yeah, I think I got wait first. I think I got some different value, like 750. I'm not sure what I did wrong.
Okay. Starting, you check this one. You check your
Yeah,
cash for year 1. What you put?
I also put 50. Yeah, all of that. That
No,
one
no,
is
no.
the same.
You keep 50 or you type equal B3.
I type equals to the trial value cell.
Okay, you type equal to?
I type equal to the B3. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So the next one? The next
Uh,
one.
I also type. Yeah, I type the same thing also.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Uh,
You share your
I'm
screen?
using my phone. I'm using my phone right now, so I
Huh?
can't.
You're using your phone. So I cannot
Yeah,
see your phone.
yeah.
So I cannot
But I got the cash flow is the same result.
MPV is different.
Yeah,
It means you get MPV different.
yeah.
Okay. So you have to tell me what you key in for MPV. Tell me what.
Uh, I, I keyed in the negative B1 plus the sum of all the cash flow.
sum. Don't put sum. I didn't put sum.
Oh,
You see the formula? Not sum, just the value. Is it when you type the equal MPV formula? It's as rate and values only, so no need sum. Not this one, not this one. It's this one only.
oh, okay.
Not this one.
The rate is the growth rate, right? The trial growth rate.
What 12 graphic?
The
The rate.
B from.
No, the rate is the interest rate. Interest rate. It's the interest rate,
Okay.
not the growth rate. Yeah.
Alright, then I try now. Yeah, I got the same one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so this is using direct MPV formula. Next, we're going to calculate using discounted cash flow method. Okay, so from the question, is it
Miss,
yes?
I got 20,000.
What 20,000? Okay, check cash flow. The first one where you key in.
Equal B3.
Okay. I think you open two speakers. Okay, then. Okay, what you key in for your MPV here?
Just same with you.
Sure not. You can share the screen. You highlight the same thing or you add something here in front, some like previous student.
I think no, I can share you my screen.
Okay. Okay, you share screen.
哪一个？选哪一个？诶，我选哪一个？喂，怎么跟我想象不太一样啊？
Okay. Click. Share screen.
Can you see?
Loading. Okay, now, okay, let's see. Okay, can you click at the year one cash flow? The cell. Oh, okay, all right. This one, your answer is correct because in percentage. Okay, is it everyone get this one? Okay, go to your MPV value there.
MPV value this.
Okay. I think all of you get the same one, right? Because I already convert. Okay, go to the number on top. Can you see number? Number on top. Click. You click already.
Click ah.
Okay, can you see? It's a percentage, right?
Yeah.
Change to general. If I don't show.
Ooh. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. You have to stay back here. Okay. Yeah, I didn't got a number yet. Okay, because I think I already set my. Okay, otherwise. Because you will get percentage, right? Here you can see very large percentage. So you go number here, right? It show percentage. So you can just change to general. Just click general or number also doesn't matter. Either one. Then you can increase or decrease the decimal. Adjust here. Okay. Any other questions before I proceed? This is very important, you know. Any more questions? Okay, no question. We continue. Discounted cash flow. Okay, we're going to calculate discounted cash flow. As I mentioned, discount factor, the formula is 1 over 1 plus I power n or power t, the time, right? So to calculate the discounted cash flow, you have to take the cash flow, multiply the discount factor. So when you multiply, like 50 times 1 over 1 plus I power n, right? So you can straight calculate 50 divide, right? Okay, but we don't type the number 50. We click the cell, divide. Okay, 1 plus I. I is interest rate. Okay, close it. Power n. N is your time now, year 1, year 2. Okay, so repeat that. Cash flow divide 1 plus interest rate power the time, the n. Okay, take note, this interest rate is fixed, right? Like just now we want to fix the growth rate. So you have to insert dollar sign. So you use the F4 function key. Okay, so enter. Okay, same thing here. You have many decimal, right? I can adjust. Okay, may adjust it. And then you can just drag until here. So I show the formula here. This is for discounted cash flow method. Okay. So you can always go to number format to adjust 2 decimal, 3 decimal. Right. So now you're going to calculate the NPV value. So as I mentioned just now, NPV values here, right? Discounted. Yeah. The sum of all discounted cash flow is the net present value. Can you see? This is using the discounted cash flow. This one is using the NPV formula, right? So you have to learn both. Make sure you know both method. So equal negative initial amount plus, for this case, you can use sum of the cash flow. Okay. So, you can adjust using this number format, and you could see both value are same. Right? Both value are same. Okay, so conclusion like this. Okay, any questions up to here? Any questions? If good, just show me thumbs up. If you have a question, you can just unmute yourself, ask me directly, so I can rectify it. So this is why I insist no recorded video at my class. Got anything you can rectify on the spot. All right. So make sure you keep practice. Okay. Now we go to part C. Okay, part C. Okay, let me just clear everything. Okay, part C, sensitivity to rate of increase in year 1 cash flow and interest rate by using 2 variable data table. It's a 2-way data table, all right? So you have 2 variables, right? 2-way data table means you have 2 variables, which is a year 1 cash flow and the interest rate. That means you have to provide few values for year 1 cash flow, right? And interest rate. So you have along top and along side, right? So you want to calculate the sensitivity, right, for the NPV. So you start here, you just click equal to NPV value that you calculate. Click, click. Because here a formula, so you click to this value. Then enter. Okay. So this is your NPV value, right? Okay, along top will be your interest rate. Okay. So alongside will be your year 1 cash flow. So for interest rate, Okay, refer to the original one. It's 12%. So you have to choose the value below 12 and above 12. So you can start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 also can. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11 also can. Okay. So actually you can just like here. Usually I lazy to type the format. I just paste lah. Okay. But I just paste, copy, and just paste. Right, it just paste two value, then just modify from here. So it's, let's say I start from 8%, 9%. Okay. You need two values in order to create a sequence number, right? Okay, just create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here I also need to create 6 value for the year 1 cash flow. So year 1 cash flow here 50. So we create value less than 50. So maybe you create 20, 30, okay, 40, 50, 60, right? So you just strike 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Can give you a minute to create the table.
For the interest rate, can I do in increments of 3? Because the rate is 4%, so I
Then you have to create a lot.
3.
You use 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you use 3.
No, I use 3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
Oh,
18.
can, no problem.
Alright.
Can. As long as you include the original interest rate. So let's say 12, you can create below and above. Must include the original values. Okay, so good idea. You can create 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, right? Also can. Okay. Done this part. Okay, now highlight data, what if analysis, data table. Okay, what is your row input cell? Row, right? This is row. So row is your interest rate. You have to go back to your original because just now we calculate based on the original value here. So it's interest rate. Click here. Your column is a year 1 cash flow, right? Click here. Okay, so for exam or as I mentioned, you have to show this. Okay, you can print screen. Let's say in exam, you can print screen and then paste your results because you need to show the step. Otherwise, you need to manually type in row input cell is B5, column input cell is B3, or you can say B5, then it's equal to 12% and so on, right? So click OK. So when you click OK, you get the value like this, right? So you can see how you interpret the answer here. Okay, when the interest rate increase, you see when interest rate. Okay, you just look at any level of the year 1 cash flow. So you can interpret, okay, for example, if year 1 cash flow is fixed value at 40, when the interest rate increase, the NPV value will decrease, right? Will decrease. I can just write short explanation. So let's say you fix the interest rate at 9%. So say when the interest rate is fixed or constant at 9%, if the year one cash flow increase, the NPV value will increase. Okay? Just give a simple explanation, right? Like just now I print screen this one, right? So you can put it here. Let's say in exam, you have to create a table, right? You have to show the step how you get this. You can print screen. Otherwise, you can tap just row input is what to show that you use this method in order to get the answer. And also for the goal sheet, everything as well. Okay, and then short explanation. Okay, up to here, any questions? No, that's why I say half an hour I can settle. Simple question. Any questions so far?
No.
So please practice, okay? Because your test is actually is 1 hour 15 minutes. But you can attempt 2 hours. I mean, 2 hours time is include you download the file and upload the file. So it's more than enough time for you, right? You see, when I answer this question, also like 30 minutes after already. So 2 questions similar, exactly similar, 95% I say. It's just the value change, they change the value. Okay? So any question? If got question, better ask me now. Because next week I will start for the week 2, the visualization, and then you give me the time, means for your group, you just give me the class, right? Already show me, right? Just text me your presentation time. Okay? So I will set, then you will see the link for particular.
Teacher, about the interest rate, right? Can I put 0.08 instead of 8%?
Can.
Can
Can.
during exam also can, right?
Can. You
Okay,
can.
okay.
You see, you can get the same answer one. It's the same answer one. Because 8%, 0.08, same thing. It's just like here, you see percentage, right? If I change the number, see? You get the same one.
Okay. All right, thank you, teacher.
No problem. Okay, any more question? Actually, the more question you ask, you learn more, right?
No question. Everything makes
All good.
sense now.
Okay, all
Yeah.
good. Okay.
Teacher,
Hmm.
can I join the later one class?
Can.
Because I cannot follow.
Okay, can, no problem.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
So the last chance is like 2, right? The next class is 2 to 3, yeah. For lesson 2.
Okay.
Okay, no more question. I will end the session, right? So your attendance will be captured, no worries. So make sure you attend my
Teacher,
yeah.
for the week 1 lesson 1 tutorial class, the attendance you haven't take yet. Yesterday morning.
Yesterday. I haven't update yet. I download already.
Okay. I thought you missed out.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got the attendance. I haven't update.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you. Bye bye.